Hey YouTube, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I hope everyone's having a great week. I'm going to get to more computing content in the channel now, and I thought I'd start with a quick video about this Compaq Contura Aero 486 sub-notebook that I picked up surprisingly close. Not more than 3 blocks away from where I live here in North Potomac, Maryland. I really wanted to get this because my dad used a Compaq Contura Aero for data acquisition and some kind of like engineering teaching application. So I went on my bike 3 blocks and picked this up. It came in this box and came with an adapter and some manuals. It came with the Contura Aero 425 here, the adapter, and then I don't think the main manual, but one about setup, after setup, and then what's in here? TabWorks, whatever that is, and then what else? Yeah, safety and comfort, and then this MS-DOS and Windows guide. So anyway, I had gotten the computer out as such, and I plugged it in, as I'm about to now, and I got what we're about to see on the display. I'll just point that out and then talk a little bit about the specifications more. Okay, let's get that open. Yep. I need to be gentle with it. Yeah, so I was really, had some high hopes for this since I wanted to run FreeDOS on a 486 machine, and because of the, sentimental connection to this computer. But when I turn it on, oh, that's different. So I was not greeted with that. Oh, okay. Yeah, so maybe something's going wrong with the video cable as well. What I was greeted with was just this blinking cursor on the left-hand side. There we go. It did not boot. I guess the hard drive's failing, or there's a bad CMOS battery or something like that. But, I'm not quite sure how to fix this. So that said, if anyone viewing wants to get this, I'm happy to sell this for $40 plus shipping to anyone interested. It's a 420. Anyway, so now going to the specs. This is a monochrome Contura Aero. There were some color versions. It has 4 megs of RAM and a 25 megahertz 486 SL. Let me get some specs up here real quick. And with these, the hinges are famous for failing if you're not quite gentle. And besides that, the video cable, I don't think the video cable inside to the display fails, but I know the hinges are famous for failing. Okay, so I'm just going to get a few more specs here on the machine. Again, if you're interested, let me know in the comments or email me. Compaq Contura Aero 425. Okay. So it's not booting, and I talked to other people about what I could do to debug this, and it sounds like if you don't have a PC MCIA floppy drive, it gets debugging gets difficult. Contura series. Yeah, so the 425 has a 486 SL running at 25 megahertz, a VGA monochrome display, 4 megs of RAM, 120 meg or 200 meg hard disk, and then a trackball, as you can see here. Unfortunately, bad habits. And it's not responding when I press the enter key or anything. It would be great, if I could boot off a PC card or just easily replace the hard drive. Again, if you have suggestions for fixing this, that would be great. But if you think it's too far gone or there's some way for you to fix it, I'm happy to sell this for $40. Anyway, so that was sort of an uneventful video. Thank you for watching anyway and bearing with me. I'm hoping to have a video review of the Digirule 2U that I got from Brad Slattery pretty soon, and possibly some more content on remote controlling cameras with Linux, and more about this TI-95 keystroke compiler coming up in future weeks, plus my TI-99 4A. So lots more computing content. Stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe as always. Take care, everybody.